Hey everyone, welcome to Detox Drops. Today I am excited to share with you an amazing juice diet plan that can help you reduce up to 2 kgs in just one day. This plan works as a detox to cleanse your system and flush out all the stubborn water retention, bloating, and swelling in no. It is especially great for anyone who feels like they have hit a weight loss plateau and need a quick boost to get back on track. Now, let's jump into the juice diet plan that can help you shed those 2 kgs in just one day. Make sure to try this plan at least once a week for maximum results. First, we will talk about early morning drink. Start your day with a refreshing glass of lemon water mixed with a pinch of cinnamon powder and a pinch of black pepper. This drink not only helps cleanse your body but also boosts your metabolism thanks to its high vitamin C content. Now it's time for breakfast juice. For breakfast, we will have a nutritious ABC juice, which is a combination of apples, beetroots, and carrots. This powerful combo helps detoxify your blood, reduce water retention, and promote healthy weight loss. I recommend using a cold pressed slow juicer to retain all the essential nutrients and prevent any inflammation. Let's jump into the mid-morning snack. For your mid-morning snack, sip on a glass of fresh coconut water. It is packed with electrolytes and is a natural hydrator to keep you energized throughout the day. Just make sure it is fresh coconut water, not the packaged kind. It is time for lunch juice. For lunch, enjoy a delicious and refreshing watermelon juice mixed with cucumber, carrot, and a squeeze of lemon. This hydrating juice is packed with fiber and helps reduce inflammation, making it an ideal choice for summer weight loss. Let's talk about mid-afternoon snack. In the afternoon, enjoy a cup of freshly brewed matcha tea. It is a powerhouse of antioxidants and is known to help with belly fat reduction. 1 cup of matcha tea offers the benefit of up to 10 cups of green tea, so it is a fantastic option for anyone serious about weight loss. Now it's time for dinner juice. For dinner, we will keep it simple with a juice made from fresh oranges and apples. This vitamin-rich drink helps boost your immunity while keeping you satisfied and light. Last but not the least, bedtime drink. Before bed, enjoy a calming cup of chamomile tea to relax your body and reduce any lingering inflammation or water retention. Chamomile works wonders for soothing stress and promoting a good night's sleep. Make sure to follow this juice diet plan once a week to see noticeable results in both your weight and overall health. Do not forget to subscribe my channel Detox Jobs and hit the bell icon for more weight loss tips, healthy recipes, and motivational transformations. Stay healthy and stay fit. Thank you.